will be very in depth, everything you need to know about Bitcoin's price within this video, so make sure you watch it all the way until the end. Slap the like button. Right now Bitcoin has crashed a lot from 21,608 to all the way to 19,000. The daily low was 19,776. Very uncomfortable for everyone that was long. I was actually long. I'll explain everything that has transpired, how I managed to close some of my longs right around here, and what happened, and what I think will happen right now. First of all, I'm short. I have some shorts. I posted my Kava short on Twitter. By the way, you can claim $30,000 in bonuses using the link in the description down below if you use my Bybit link, so definitely check it out. I have a Kava short right here, and I'm going to probably target these lows. I have an alert here, but I'll try to grab the liquidity right around here on that particular short. And basically everything was going very well for Bitcoin, for my Bitcoin longs, but what we've seen and what some traders managed to get better than me, and I'll show you some analysis from forex.com and other analysis. And what I was actually worried was that the VWAP, and I've been short all this time, right? If you follow me on Twitter, if you follow my YouTube videos, actually made a video about it, like the last video, pretty much. Bitcoin might go bananas today. That was long. Then I had a few shorts. I've posted that on Twitter, and I've printed a lot. Super easy long. That's 4 days ago. I'm short on Bitcoin 6 days ago. But what got me confused today was that the VWAP was actually below the EMAs, which always signals some exhaustion, right? When you have a situation like this, normally you have a small pump where you can close some long positions. Ideally, I wanted the price to go to pretty much here, which it never did, right? It just pumped and dumped. On market open, or 10-20 minutes before market open, we were pumping, but then we dumped all the way down. So right now what I do believe will happen, we basically have lower lows. We'll test the lows a few times more because all the longs need to get liquidated. I'm actually short, as I've said, on Kava. I don't have a huge short on Kava, but I'll build it up. I pretty much will build it up throughout the video, and I've seen this analysis today. I was very busy yesterday, so couldn't do my proper analysis, do a video. I'll fix that. You'll see videos every single day, pretty much, sometimes 2 times a day, because I need to wrap my head around everything that's going on for the day. Bitcoin could plunge back to 20k. There was a video from forex.com. BTC USDT falls on Silvergate. Hawkish Powell. Jeremy Powell has hurt everyone, including cryptos. Not much support. Plus, we have on Friday, everyone is waiting for the news around, the dumping. Bitcoin was down. BTC USD support gives away at around 21,400. Here it is. There is not much prior reference points for the buyers to use as an area of interest. Yep, there is none. There's just one, basically how to breakout pattern. Even if we this, it's a small pump and then a dump, which basically that's what happened. So that was actually very accurate. You can see that 21,000. It shouldn't hold that much, and we just dumped from the trend line. You can probably see this better on the daily time frame. Let's reset that. I had some targets written down. Basically, I nailed some of them, but yeah. You live and you learn. The most important lesson that I've learned from this situation is that I need to do more analysis no matter how busy I am. 'Cause sometimes I'm very busy, I have a profitable scalping strategy and I just do it. But that's just not enough. That's not how the markets work. The markets are very tough. Here it is on the 28th of February. Since then, we're just short. Any way you look at it, we are short on the daily time frame. We had okay curvature here, but the real curvature was here. VWAPs were above. Man, these are some good shorts on the daily chart. On the daily chart, right now what we can see is we're definitely exhausted. Like on the daily, you shouldn't be short here because you should have grabbed liquidity and Wells grabbed liquidity here. I think the shorts we'll get are retail traders trying to buy the dip and getting liquidated here. I wouldn't be buying the dip today, obviously. But I'm seeing some interesting facts right here. So every time we get a breakout on the daily chart, like something around here, and you go below the purple, the 20 EMA, with the VWAPs above, you have a dip. That's a very, very valid signal. Let me actually check that out because this is similar to what I do on the 1 hour chart. I want to test it out. So let's say we start trading here. We pump up. VWAP is above, so we don't trade. We don't trade here. We skip all of this. And the first time we take a trade is basically, yeah, we will be able to take that trade. You get very rare signals, but when you do, they should be pretty good. You get a signal here, which would be a pretty good long. You get a signal... Yeah, the VWAP and TWAP are not that good on the daily. You very rarely have situations like this where they're lagging. So you can draw conclusions. So something that... definitely would help is if we get the dollar to continue pumping, which we do have. The dollar was very weak yesterday. You could see the dollar being very weak. Right now it actually switched to a long. VWAP is below. We're trying to go above the purple line, which signals a short for Bitcoin. On gold we have a definitely long for a while, which is interesting because we were dumping, and while Bitcoin was dumping, gold was going up. So it's not very correlated to crypto right now. Dollar is the only thing that's correlated right now. US30 was a long until it went down at 7 p.m. So it's after 7 p.m. only short. That was the only way to go for it. And so yeah, normally what you want to check is the Dixie in US30 right now. Gold is very lagging, and we've seen that since the 13th of February when we had the last pump, gold was lagging. We also have Meta developing a decentralized... I will tell you a little bit more about my strategy. I'll fine-tune it to prevent situations like this because I should have seen this coming. I was not online to figure it out at the time. This is something I'll work on within the next few days so that never happens again. I'm Kava short, as you can see here, and on Twitter. And we have some other crypto news. Basically, the fundamentals are down. I don't know, a lot of people that already bought the rumors will be taking profits on the news. So it's dangerous to start shorts right now. But if you find something overvalued, like Kava, for example, for me, I believe it's a good thing to take to enter a position. Of late, several companies have been building alternative replacements for Twitter. In fact, most of the variants, including Jack Dorsey's Blue Sky, is decentralized in nature. We talked about that. Now, according to recent reports, Meta is currently doing that, which is interesting because they are very bad. Everything they've done so far and their earnings have been very, very bad. But since October. So remember, I bought Meta on the first dump last year. Last year, 2022. I bought Meta after these earnings. Here it is. We had a pump. I didn't take profit, which was weird. And then after the war broke, we just started dumping and went all the way down to $89. I don't know if they had splits or stuff like that. I haven't seen that, but they basically have one good earnings right here, bad earnings, downtrend, bad earnings, with a pump. Oh, they had a surprise earnings here. Okay. And after it, yeah, we had a gap up, dump, and people managed to buy that's actually a cool Magi pattern right here. Yeah, Meta with these news might have a little better quarter, but they're an ads platform. They work with your personal information, and this is their business. I don't know how they'll figure this out. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I'll try to do this every single day again. If there's enough interest, let me know in the comment section down below. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.